So, bratwurst and pommes on tour. So today, me and Tom, here's the camera by the way. So me and Tom, we're here, aren't we?
At the Broker Mühle.
At what is called the Broker Mühle. Now, the legend says about 40 years ago, back in the 70s, so 50 years ago, a bit like me, back in the 70s, 3 students got together and had a bit of on a Wednesday and just fancied having a bit of a ride out together. And those 3 turned into 10, and that 10 turned into 50. And eventually, the place that they would meet was too small for them, so they looked around town at where can we get our guys in, and where can we meet up with some other bikers. And they've come to the place called the Broker Mühle, which is just out of town from Gütersloh. And well, it's turned into something epic now. That on a good summer's day, when this place is
like
full,
today,
then you can get up to 7,000 bikes turning up. And yeah, so I'll just take you for a wander around. The Broker Mühle is actually just behind me. I'll just turn around and show you. This actually, it gets its name from a restaurant, which is that over there. Look, see, little restaurant. And every Wednesday, this is every Wednesday, not like once a month or once a year, this is every Wednesday, everyone turns up.
through the summer.
Through the summer. It starts...
April till October.
Yeah, that's... See, over here we have this sort of biking season thing. I know all the UK guys are going to go, yeah, what's wrong with you Germans?
I ride mine all year.
Yeah, if the battery's not flat.
Your sheep?
Don't know what you mean.
So, it's every Wednesday all year through, from the 1st of April to the 31st of October. Right, is this, right, 30. At the moment it's quiet because most people are here now. It's when everyone turns up and everyone leaves it starts getting a bit crazy. So yeah, let's go for a little walk I suppose, eh? Oh, what they normally do, just to let you know, there's like this bit over here is like all the old timers, like all the old bikes and stuff, all the old boys with their bikes.
Not Yoshi, he's still young.
Yeah, not him, he's just standing with.
I'm not an old timer.
So
Not yet.
and then you got like the Harley section, and you got the gangs and the clubs and that, but the rest of it's just like normal people like you and me. So let's go for a walk and see what's going on. I mean, that is just a young boy's dream made true, that one.
50cc 2-stroke.
Oh, lovely little thing. Look at that old Ducati, look at that, look. That's a lovely bike. Just looking in here, look, someone's gone and put a nice little window in there, look, so you can see the drive from the crankshaft up to the... So as I say, this is usually the old boys corner. I think one of the first bikes I actually rode was a 754. We put knobbly tyres on it and went through the woods. So one thing that's very apparent is there isn't real like a theme. Everything goes, and everything is here, from old to new, from rich to poor,
From ugly to pretty.
ugly to pretty. But one thing that you haven't got is it's like snowflakes, isn't it? Not that sort of snowflake, like the ones that fall out the sky is the one I mean. There's not 2 bikes the same, is there? That's the thing. And that's sort of a bit of a beauty of being at a place like this, is so much to look at. I suppose non-bikey people will probably wonder, you know, what's the point of just looking at all these motorbikes? It's because they're all different. I don't know how that happens, because everyone says my bike's completely original. Well, how does that happen? They're all different. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is mad. Right, that is a lovely Triumph Rocket 3 Roadster.
Would suit you as well.
So basically we're walking around the back of the Mühle, but just look at this. I mean, we live where people will go on holiday, Tom.
I'd agree with you there.
I mean, just look at this absolutely fantastic German countryside. Fantastic German weather. Fantastic
English people
English people.
in Germany.
So it's early summer. Well, it's not summer, is it? Is it still spring, isn't it? So late spring. And yeah, because this is so close to home, just after work, get on your bike, pop down here with your mates.
Bratty and chips.
Bratwurst and chips. I forgot to film that bit, Tom.
Yeah, because you were too fat and ate it too quick.
I know, and I wanted to put that on my Bratwurst and Bikes channel, but I forgot. So when we get round this corner, I'll show you some more. Right, so me and Tom have discovered this.
No.
Right?
No.
Barracuda dual clutch transmission. So we've had a real good look around. I mean, there's a lot going on today, right? But there is something that's really stuck out in Tom's eye. He said, "This is mine. This is my thing.
This red Triumph Speed Triple 1050.
This is it. This is your bike, mate. Your dream bike and your bike. This is Tom's grotty old bike, isn't it? Eh? You like this one, don't you?
It needs a wash.
It does need a wash, yeah. So Tom's on his Speed Triple. I'm on my Tiger 1050 Sport. And we've got a mate, he's on that thing, which he spends more cleaning than riding.
Z750.
Z750. He wants an Aprilia.
Granny machine.
Right. In fact, there he is, look. Some people are starting to go home now, so the noise level's picking up on that road up there. There's a bit of wind up here, but you can see what's going on. It's got the sun up here as well, unfortunately. I hope you can still see.
A fair few have already left.
A fair few, yeah. Because they come in and they all park at the front to start with, and then they move back on the field. And it's 1844. Ah, there he is, look. So it's going home time for a lot of people now. Those who don't want to be watched leave that way, but there is another exit on the other side. Which is over here. That's the exit where everyone watches you. For today, because it's getting a bit windy, mate. Right, yeah, so if you like that, let me know and I'll come back and show you some more.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, that'd be nice. Toodles, as he always says.